Hi, I'm Jay Bretz with Excel Roofing. Today we're going to talk about Owens Corning asphalt shingles. We've been in business since 1993 and have literally installed hundreds of thousands of square feet of shingles. I've used all the different manufacturers. Owens Corning is my favorite. This is the reason why. It's a great company that stands behind their product. They also make one of the best shingles in the industry. The seal down strip, the thing that melts and keeps the shingles all together, is one of the best. They also have the Sure Nail strip. The Sure Nail strip is a piece of fiberglass that's put on top of the shingles. This is the target zone that the roofers nail into. It's very difficult to penetrate the nail through the Sure Nail strip. This is the second key component why these shingles just refuse to blow off. I've heard of hurricane areas where every roof in the neighborhood is torn off except for one, and it's an Owens Corning roof. Really like it for that reason. I have 3 sample boards today. We've got good, better, and best. This is the Owens Corning Duration series. This happens to be their designer colors. If you like a more varied look, you want to go with the designer series. Very good looking shingles. The better is the Duration Storm. The Duration Storm is a class 4 rated shingle, which means that you should be getting a discount on your homeowner's insurance. The reason that the Storm gets its class 4 rating, it's got a scrim sheet, it's got this fiberglass reinforced backing on it that helps it become more hail resistant. The best is the Duration Flex. The Duration Flex actually has a rubber component to the shingle itself. So instead of just being hard asphalt, it's softer rubber and the hail tends to bounce off of it. This is one of the best hail resistant asphalt shingles in the market, and it's at a great price point as well. If you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.